Hello, my name is Gospel Onowi, and I have created a virtual reality application called BioLab. Now, BioLab is a virtual reality application that helps students and teachers to visualize or to interact with the human anatomy or to learn about the human anatomy in 3D or more so in virtual reality. So what we are going to have to do right now, we have the red button and the blue button. So once I hit on this red button, the 3D model, the human anatomy will be taken apart.
Heart pumps blood throughout the body.
And as you can hear, we have a narrator talking about the human anatomy.
It's this circulation of blood
this enables students to be able to see in 3D for real how the human anatomy looks like without seeing and looking at them in papers. Okay, by just holding each and any one of the 3D model, the annotation of the model you're holding appears. Like this is the heart I'm holding. Okay, and as you can see, this is the heart, how it looks like in 3D. Yeah, so this is the pelvic. If you hold it, you can see the pelvis, and this is the rib cage. This is the eye sockets. This is the liver. That's supposed to be the liver. Okay, and this is the lungs. Okay, that is the skeleton. Then, as you can see, we have the circulatory system, which is the blue and the red blood vessel moving around the body. That is the brain. That is the spine. This is the spine, as you can see. So yeah, so this is just one fun way for students to be able to learn in virtual reality by seeing for themselves in 3D how everything in the human body looks like, and you know what actually makes us a living being. Each and every one of these models has to function properly for us to be alive. Okay, so we can actually hit on this to take it back completely. As you can see, everything has gotten back to how it was initially. And yeah, so in the nearest future, we intend to add a multiplayer feature to it so that we can have multiple students come, and each and every one of these seats, they can sit on this seat, they can perform experiments here, they can see how the human anatomy looks like in 3D, and they can do a whole lot of stuff right here. All right, so this is BioLab, ladies and gentlemen.